Namaste, Hamisha Khushro here. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. In today's session of Mechanical Anesthesia, we will discuss postmortem findings of the drowning. So, first, external findings. Fine froth at the nose and mouth, which is white or rarely blood-stained, leather-like, abundant and increased in amount with compression of the chest. Rarely the presence of wheat, mud, etc. in the tightly clenched hand. Cutis anserema, a bruised skin due to spasm of the erector pili muscles and due to the exposure to cold water at the time of death. It is rarely seen in India. The skin appears granular and puckered, with hair standing on the end. Extremities are mainly affected. The skin of the fingers, palms, and later the soles of the feet will be wrinkled, bleached, and sodden due to osmotic action of water on thickened epidermis. This immersion changes known as hands and feet of a washerwoman. Internal findings: lungs and respiratory tract, airway filled with froth, sand, weeds, etc. Lungs are voluminous edematous, duffy to fill with rib marking. Felt of hemorrhage is seen. On cut section, oozing out of blood, stained, frothy fluid and ballooning of the lung known as emphysema aquosum, and weight is up to 2 kg. Watery fluid transudates into pleural cavities during putrefaction. Hydrostatic lung test. Hemorrhage in the middle ear and mastoid ear cells. Water in the stomach and intestine. Biochemical changes. Galter's test. Chloride content in chamber of the heart is normally 600 mg per 100 ml. Chloride decreases by 50% in fresh water and increases by 40% in salt water. Tests of doubtful value in septal defects in putrefaction and death due to vagal inhibition. Diatoms. Microscopic unicellular algae present in water. Silicaceous cell wall which resists acid digestion, heat and putrefaction. Size is 10 to 80 microns. Only a live body with a circulation can transport diatoms from lungs to the brain or bone marrow. Isolation. Acid digestion of tissue, commonly bone marrow, lung, blood and kidney, followed by centrifugation and washing, and residues examined under phase contact microscopy. Cause of death are asphyxia, ventricular fibrillation, laryngeal spasm, vagal inhibition, exhaustion, injuries. Fatal period is 4 to 8 minutes. Diagnosis of drowning is froth at the mouth and nose, weed and gravel or soil in hand, voluminous lungs, diatoms in tissues. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital section. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.